Welcome to this tutorial for Cisco Cyber Vision. We are going to leverage a pre-recorded PCAP file to import data into a Cyber Vision Center. PCAP files are a very convenient way to exchange data related to network communication. Please note that importing a PCAP will not overwrite your existing data, but the PCAP data will be added to it. As the first step, log into your center. Once logged in, navigate to Admin in the left-hand side navigation. In the context menu, expand the sensor's navigation item and select PCAP Upload. Click on Upload a new file. On the pop-up, choose a file or drag and drop it to upload it to the center. There is an important decision to take before you start the upload. You can decide to retain the original timestamps in your PCAP or to reset them. If you retain the timestamps, you need to select the right window of time in the center to analyze your data later on. Once the sender receives your PCAP file, the contained data will be processed. The amount of data contained in your PCAP will determine the time it takes to process it. As soon as the processing status indicates completion, you can access the dashboards to start analyzing your data.